Hey, it's Jack. I have a bachelor's in psychology with a focus in expressive arts therapies, so I like to do therapeutic art activities on my channel. My channel overall goal is to help y'all keep your inner child alive, and this week's therapeutic art activity is going to be pen dancing. It's something that I did a lot during my minor program. It's a really great tool for anxiety management and nervous system regulation. It combines basically two elements. So when you listen to music that doesn't have any words, it is really effective in clearing your mind, your mental space, which is good in interrupting any spiraling thoughts or any negative patterns of thoughts, so that you can have a chance to establish like new patterns. When you also are moving into your body, from your mind into your body, by moving your body with the music, that also helps with nervous system regulation. It can also be really effective in clearing out any patterns that are stuck in our physical body, that's stuck as like tension or anything negative that could be stored without us even noticing. Until we relax that part of our body, we like don't even know that it's holding tension. And dance is very therapeutic in nervous system regulation. It boosts your endorphins because you're doing an activity. And trauma, if you have any history of trauma is stored in our body as well. So it's really important for us to move that out of our body and to create new patterns of moving our body and feeling good inside of our body. And dance is a really good tool for doing that. And also, some people can't move their body to music for whatever reason comfortably, and so pen dancing is a great way for people who can't move their whole body to music in a comfortable way to still participate. So yeah, let's get into it. The materials that you're going to need are just pen, paper. I have like a pack of fun colored pens, and then you just want to pick a playlist that you like. You can choose whatever music you want, but this is especially effective if it doesn't have any words, if it's like instrumental. So you can find like a lot of instrumental versions of basically any song on YouTube, and allow the music to flow through your hands like as if you were dancing. So like to warm up, did some like doodles that reminded me of like movements in the song, if that makes sense. Like if the song had a movement, what would it look like, was what I started off by doing. And then I realized it was just so much more fun and easier if you just kind of like move your hand as if it's your body dancing. So I'll just play some music here. So if you guys want to actually do it along with the video, now would be a good time to pause and get your materials and come back. I'll link in the description the playlist that I'm using, because I am going to use one of those lo-fi videos. So that way, if you want to do this video later, you can go play that. And I'll see you guys later when you're done.
say, would I? Once you would. No. Bye. It's time we did.
this is where I kind of finished up. So lastly, we just want to do a check-in. This is really important in therapeutic arts activities so that we can like connect to the changes that we've made in this process. So just like take a second and focus on how your body's feeling compared to before you did the activity, and see if it's any calmer, or if you feel more joy, or just like a little bit more at peace, or if anything, like neutral, like less stress than there was before, less like negative tension feelings. Or if anything like bad came up, you can notice that. Sometimes those are trapped emotions in our body that are really crying out for expression in other ways. So it's important to note that too. And just journal for a second and let me know in the comments if you like this activity. If you want to connect with me on social media, I'll put my link tree in the description too, and show me your little sketches that you did. I'm so excited to see them. I hope you guys have a great day, a great rest of your week. I hope you feel a little bit more calm and at peace. I'll see you guys next week. Keep your inner child alive. Bye.